Folks, I want to talk to you about medication and why it may cause your hair loss. The reason why this happens is because medication tends to make your body more acidic. Now, before you actually start the medication, you are most likely acidic, and that's why you had to take the medication in the first place. Now, remember that two ways your body gets highly acidic. One, the foods you eat. If you eat animal products or cooked food or starches, they're going to make your body highly acidic. And this acidity has to be dealt or taken care of by the lymphatic system, which is a cholesterol based system. The main function of the lymphatic system is to neutralize acids and to remove any acids from your 100 trillion cells and from the foods you eat and pass it through the kidneys to excrete it. If the lymphatic system goes down or it's not moving or is stagnant, the acids in your body are going to begin to try to come through the skin and the scalp, and this is where you see the hair falling out. When you take medication, the medication makes the body more acidic, and which makes the lymphatic system more stagnant, so it cannot move properly again. It just makes it worse. So you see that your hair is falling out more. The medication sometimes also has sulfur, and sulfur is very tough. When it goes into the body and it gets hard and locks up, and it can take years to get rid of that because it makes the lymphatic system like a rock. And that's why you see the skin gets hard, or you see the tissue and it cannot move anymore. It's because the lymphatic system has become stagnant. The way to fix this is to replace all those foods you've been eating with raw fruits and vegetables. Fruits are far superior and will help you get better results faster, okay? So replace your breakfast, lunch, and dinner with fruits, raw fruits. You can do breakfast fruits, lunch fruits, and dinner a salad if you can't do fruits all through the day. If you do this for a couple of weeks, you're gonna see things are gonna get better. Your skin is gonna glow. Your hair is gonna feel better, and you realize that things are getting more fluid. Your lymphatic system begins to move. Your kidneys begin to filter better, and you feel healthier, and your hair should stop falling out. So I hope this helped you. I hope you implement it. It's all about the diet. Eat your fruits. Remove all the animal products, and you see you feel better, and your hair will begin to grow as well. At the same time, you want to amplify the blood flow to your scalp, because the lymphatic system, when it shrinks or when it gets harder, it will clog the blood supply going to the hair follicles. This will cause your hair loss. So you want to use a product that can also boost blood flow to the scalp. A product like Grow Hair Oil will go a long way in boosting blood flow to the scalp, which will help you to save your hair. Okay, so very simple. Use fruits and vegetables, and use a good hair product, like a good hair oil, hair growth oil, and your hair is going to improve. And in line with the medication, your medication may continue to make the hair fall, but at least it won't be in the same rate, and it might stop the hair fall. So I hope this helped you. I hope you implement it. Let me know how it goes.